Welcome back to the show, guys. In case you're just tuning in, we're in Papine in Kingston. Now for our Talent on the Rise segment, let's check out Terex No Breaks.
The way you make me feel is like we're on another level. Why you think me there with you, me take you out the ghetto. If me rich to them, me not gonna never ever left you. Make we have a baby and your brother have a nephew. Where you make me feel, it's like I'm in a dream.
No Breaks is really me, you know, unstoppable. When you see me in the studio, catch me in the studio, you really catch the understanding of No Breaks. Full of melodies, full of style and full of lyrics, yeah? My musical journey, up and down. But right now, we are keep it up right now, you see me? Yeah, because you know, say we go through a lot, but through all our struggles, you know, say it make we stronger, you see me?
So you're from New Jersey, what's the Jamaican connection?
Well, my father is from Spanish Town, Kingston. And then the whole of my linky them mostly come from Portmore and Portland. And
Never give it up. Not for worry about nothing when me and you are roll. Straight cruise control. Now for our feelings, them on it down low. The whole world should know where you make me feel.
Currently, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, putting in some work, you know. Doing the good work, making songs every day. Right now, we're working on the street tape in Atlanta, Georgia. That's where we made it.
In terms of the whole mixtape, what the producers that are working on the mixtape?
Lee Miller, Dub Lab, and Tsunami Entertainment.
So what's the message behind the mixtape?
Well, I just real life music on it, things what we go through every day and see every day. Messages like everything we do, them try fight with them, you see me? 12 tracks. Right now, them can't access the mixtape online at SoundCloud, YouTube, Terex No Breaks, Terex NUH Breaks, No Breaks.
What was growing up like for you in New Jersey?
Growing up for me in New Jersey was like people see me, know me, but I don't know them. I don't know if them don't want me to get the break or not. But them probably don't remember me. But Elephant Man used to bring me up on stage and jump up and down and them thing that me make Elephant Man start jump and give him some energy. You see me? Yeah, me, I one of them youth there and it all coming at the star the next day. And you see me? Every whole world have to pray it.
In our music video premiere segment, let's check out the latest from Popcorn.
Me feel for some NSC, VSOP. Me no want see no walk, no JOB. Call some girl from the Gaza or JOB. Them know me unruly, we OD. Kiko, like a penalty. If you diss me, you're gonna pay the penalty. Fat sexy gal, I'm a referee. She named Stephanie. Oh, I'm never sober. Higher than Jehovah. We no care border. Unruly no use a means border. No way. I'm never sober. No time. Higher than Jehovah. And me no drink green soda. You don't see me and I march like soda. Because, yeah, cram. I wonder what the pre-weekend come in. That one a piece of dream weekend. Stop and maybe pick up the tree freak. Them you know me love the girl them bad, so me nah leave them up. Leaf in my trees, you know me nah use blame. And then the body where you shake, you know me nah use them. Girl a strip and a strip, and I put them lip on it. You know me love when them broad out them hip. And something wet all like a extension clip. You want weed? Guess what? Skinny step in, so we frost again. One more party burn off, when we stop again. Then more girl jaw drop again. Man a broke fight in a dance, me no matter them. Because
Before we go to our second commercial break, listen up to this very important accident prevention tip, courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited. We'll be right back.
These accident prevention tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable. Here are a few tips in which you can avoid accidents on our roadways. Beware of blind spots, including those in rear view mirrors. Exercise caution when driving onto a busy intersection. Watch out for red light runners. There have been frequent accidents caused by persons running red lights. When driving in a residential area, watch out for children. Slow down and proceed with caution. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.